We're doing MIG welding. It's called gas metal arc welding. Ventilation out. You can flip this, so it's real good for the health. Summer King, you don't have none of that. So I got years and years of smoke and everything else in my lungs. So alright, you're gonna be doing it now. Come on. I'm gonna tell y'all a little about the machine we're gonna use right here. These are multi-purpose machines. We got breakers right here. See right here? You can TIG, MIG, bolts, MIG, Johnson turn, stick weld, anything we do. So therefore we don't have to buy all these different machines. We can take this one machine and do everything we do in here. Okay. What's that point? TIG, MIG. Multi-tasking. TIG, you're using a tungsten. It's called gas tungsten arc. Okay. You're going to be using a torch. What? You have to add rod or filler metal to it. You're using a torch in one hand and the filler metal in the other hand with some type of rod. With this here, this gun actually, when you mash the trigger fed, the wire actually comes out for you. It's probably the easiest welding you'll do right here.
That's fire!
Really? Okay. When we turn this power on this machine, it's going to energize this wire field over. And the process is going to the MIG process. I'm telling you your volts right there. You see that beat? Most 19 volts in this little quarter-inch, 3/16 steel.
You still recording?
18 volts. That's your volts.
Baba, get up my chair.
Alright? This is your wire speed. It's in inches per minute. You see it'll say 75 to 750. So naturally when you turn the heat up, you got to turn the wire. Because you're going to be burning hot. Turn the wire, the heat down, you're going to turn the wire down. So we know somewhere right along there, on that setting, will be pretty well called for. There's your shielding gas I'm talking about. You got to turn it on. So you're going to be running with a solid wire, you're going to be running a 75 argon, 25 carbon dioxide. They call that a mixture, 75-25. If you're running a flux core MIG, you're going to be using regular CO2.
I have no idea
But we running.
what this man is talking about.
I know it.
I really don't.
We got to have people run cameras too. Everybody can't do well, but that's what we have to learn, you know. The proper equipment thing I'm talking about, let me get my safety leg. Y'all pause. You ready? All right, we're going to make a wheel.
Yeah, like it over.